Do you think the YouTube channel will open but you don't know no video editing skill? Then you need to learn video editing skill if you don't know. So how to make YouTube videos no video editing skill? Have you open a YouTube channel? Then you are wrong. The real sector to grow the YouTube channel is video editing. For video to go viral on YouTube, only 2 points are very important. Number one, thumbnail. Number two is audio retention. That is how long the audience is watching your videos. The growth of your channel depend on it. To click your video, thumbnail the most important work. If you can make interesting thumbnail in the video, then surely people will click on your video. If the video you are watching a bad, but did you watch the video to the end? Of course not. How do you expect people to watch your video even if it is bad? After watching just a few seconds or minutes, you click on the next video. Similarly, because your video editing skills are not good, after watching for a few seconds, they click on the other's video just like you, and it's recording audio retention. Then your channel growth slow down. And when every video has then same problem, the YouTube will never promote your videos again. YouTube from then on your video stop giving impression. So you must know about video editing. Maybe you think I don't know anything about editing. How to edit? Don't worry. The best video editing software for mobile is Master. You can call Master the king of video editing. So the tips and tricks of video viral on YouTube and when to learn professional video editing free full course with mobile, then definitely subscribe to the channel and study Tran because Screen Master has more than 100 features. It is not possible to cover all features in a one videos. So I will upload the video one by one. Example: how to make intro with green mask thumbnail, how to remove green screen, how to change video background, how to add audio, how to give effect, how to animated photo aids. If you want a make beautiful thumbnail very easy, then I keep the video on the screen. Click come inside, you will see there.